Hello and welcome to
Alright, Steve.
and Dad's eating a packet of crisps. So today this will be the first update on TBL on this channel, our 6-speed manual 540. And yesterday we brought a new bumper. And this, folks, is our new front bumper. It needs work, but it's savable, well savable. It's a genuine opponent item, and it's going on our black E34 540 6-speed manual. I'm going to have it all done in Cosmos black, and we might have the Alpina writing done in satin black.
Very true, yeah.
Very true. We're going to be fitting yellow European fog lamps to give it a bit of depth as well. And in this video we're going to set about cleaning up some of the damage issues. It's no way a beautiful piece, but it's a saleable piece, and when stuff like this gets crushed, gets broke, it's gone forever. So save and repair. Save and repair. The first is to address that right part.
Yeah.
Is we've got to find all the little crap, and we've got because it's fiberglass. You've got
which is there.
There.
And there's one going along to
there.
To there.
Which was a few on this side. Is there one on this side, Pop, as well?
No, I don't think
no, it was a few. No. Just paint. Splits there. Oh, we have got it down a bit. There's a crack along here which needs to be repaired, but watch that for a minute.
Out of sandpaper.
Yeah, out of sandpaper. So that needs to be repaired. Like I said previously, there's a crack there. A few cracks here. If you just lift that main pops off. Yeah. Like that. That's it. Right. If we look along here, we can see where it's been repaired before, then there and there, and the fog lights have been deleted. The headlamp jet washer have been deleted as well, which is good because we can undelete them now. So we can fit the headlamp washers back in. But for today, I think we are just about done. So now we're on day 2. We've managed to, well, Dad's managed to, do some discovery work on the bumper. We found out that it was originally off a blue Alpina of some description.
Yes!
We've got this lip here. The lip is quite battered, but for the price we paid, and we knew what we was buying. Like I said, this still hasn't been fixed, but we just wanted to do some discovery work first on some of these cracks and see if there's nothing under here that we didn't know. It is quite smooth now. We just got to start now cleaning off these cracks on both sides, and we've got to redo this lip here, and Matt should see what we're doing tomorrow. Like I said, I don't know if I said in the previous video, but this was off. This was originally had loads washers, and they've been filled in, so we can draw them back out because TBL has been a 540 as jet washers. Now, when people on the channel have never seen an Alpina bumper, basically it's an SE bumper with the Alpina chin piece, and it's, I think it's screwed along here because you can see little screw bits like from this side, there and there. It is coming away on that side, but that's nothing some Tiger Seal won't sort out. If you look at it from here, it is flared out quite a bit from a standard SE bumper, and if I show you wonder how deep it is from a standard SE bumper. You can see that's where the SE bumper finishes, the standard SE bumper, and that's where the Alpina item finishes. So it is going to be a stone chip collector, but it should look mean, all in black. Now, in the comment section, we're going to ask a question. I might put a poll up somewhere in the corner or get in the comment section. This is going to be all in Cosmos black. I've been thinking about having the Alpina logo in satin black. Let us know what you think about that. Definitely not going to be silver or nothing like that. But I'm thinking about having the Alpina, you want to call it, marked out in satin black. So that's what we've been doing this afternoon, today. See you tomorrow. As you can see, we've managed to excavate the washers for the front lights. Now we're repairing this little bit here. As you can see, I did show this before, but it was a bit dark. It's been repaired before in places, so it ain't like it's the first repair that it's ever had. But it's a nice part to save. This part started to come loose. That was a chip there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to get some clips for down here so it looks away. Now with fiberglass all this and reinforced it. There as well. Now we've got to sand that bit back and build this corner up here, but it's more solid in there. I'm going to drill 3 holes there and use the sill end plugs to make it away, and I'm going to paint all this in satin black, so when you undo the car it shows how some of your looks. It does look like it's, oh, I just got stabbed. It does look like Joseph coats of many colours under here. It looks a bit like a bit factory. So now we've satin blacked the bib. I might give it another cut after, depending. Oh, it looks a lot better now. And I've also satin blacked the original bumper bottom as well. That will definitely need another gear. Oh, it does look quite cool, especially when all the rest of the bumpers done in Cosmos black. When you undo a car or MOT tyre, it's going to look nice. As you can see now, we've started to get the edge in somewhat condition. This is the second go over. We'll put a bit of filler on, wait for dry, sand it off, put a bit more on, build it up slowly. But the lip is getting there. Slowly. Still got this edge to do here. And this bit here. The other fillering has been today. We're starting to get all the edges back and starting to, if you remember back what all this was like, we had like, it was all chipped. Now it's all back. It is all repaired as well. There it is. We've drilled 3 holes in, so when it's painted we can put some E34 end clips in here just to strengthen the front. So that should give that rigidity and a nice swollen out stance at the bottom. It'll follow the original E34 line there. Also, we've got the bumper carrier installed. If you want to know how to remove that, I'll link that up in the corner. We did a video some time ago doing that, depending on when you're watching this video. It was yesterday in real time, but if you watch this video in a year's time, some time ago, I will link it up there. As you can see, the underneath is looking really good now. All the lines are defined and all that. Looks really nice. I think it's just about ready for paint. So the bumper now is done. It's in the boot. Well, the action. I'm going to take it down to our painters. Next time you'll see me, or when it's painted on the car,